Welcome, everybody. This is Life Disney's Best of 2017.
Yay! I'm Katie.
I'm Spencer.
And we are the experts that are here at Disneyland all the time. We basically live here.
Yep.
So we've compiled a list of some of the best of things that came to us in 2017.
Let's get right into it and talk about what was the best thing at Disneyland for 2017. Katie, what do we got for the first award?
Okay, so first off, we're gonna start off in my favorite category, the food category. According to Life Disney, that means us. The best food item in 2017 that we found as the MVP goes to the potato. And when we say potato, we mean the potato over at the Troubadour Tavern, right next to Fantasyland Theater. And it just tastes amazing, and it's a real crowd pleaser, is the fact that it's only about $5 or $6. It's convenient to get and carry around when you want to watch a parade or show. And the best part about the potato is that it keeps you super full. So when you're hungry and you need something,
it sticks to the ribs, folks. It does.
Okay, so our next award goes to the best treat that came out in 2017. And that, my friends, is found over at the Hungry Bear in Critter Country, and it is the Milk and Honey Funnel Cake. Why this one is a top winner is just basically because it tastes amazing and it's shareable between at least 3 to 4 people.
I would say you could share this with 4 people. You absolutely
definitely
could. Yes.
It is incredibly delicious. We encourage you guys to get over to the Hungry Bear and try out the Milk and Honey Funnel Cake.
And rounding off the whole food category of this Best of 2017, the best go-to restaurant, you know,
best
like
quick service
walk-up window type of thing for us, the Jolly Holiday.
Oh, the Jolly Holiday. Now, we love this for several different reasons. Number one, it offers really good breakfast options for an affordable price.
Yes.
It's quick and easy.
Yep.
Number two, they have great coffee and lattes when Starbucks is crowded.
Oh yeah.
You can get a nice latte, blah, 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 all those good things. And number three, all the treats are really good. And who can forget the Jolly Holiday combo?
It's the best combo in the park, guys.
mean,
like, honestly, when it's one of those days when you're not sure what to get, I mean, look, you get a whole grilled cheese sandwich and a soup.
Now let's also talk about location, because it's located right in the hub.
Yep.
I mean,
very centrally located.
You got a beautiful view of the castle depending on where you sit.
Absolutely.
It's amazing. So definitely Jolly Holiday is by far the best quick service restaurant in Disneyland by our standards.
So a lot of great things came to the park this year, and this was one of the best. Katie, what is this?
Now the best addition that we found that happened at Disneyland this year was Max Pass. Is amazing. So you can buy it and add it on, or you can add it onto your annual pass, or if you're just a Signature Plus pass holder, it comes with your pass. Now we love this because it's on your phone. You can book your fast passes. It has been the most convenient thing that we have used throughout this year. Since it happened, it has made the end of 2017 just super convenient and wonderful. Okay, Spence, so we talked long and hard about this one.
We did.
This was one, and I feel it's very, very important, especially for people coming to visit the Disneyland Resort.
It really is.
You all want to see your favorite characters, so this is our award, our best character meet and greet interaction of all time.
Me and I'll be on my way.
Speaking of character meet and greets.
Oh my gosh, it's like he heard
Look,
us.
there's Gaston. He's one of our favorite meet and greets.
That's me.
That's you. He's a very good-looking guy.
Is this magical mirror on the wall? No, I don't want you here.
Yeah. Work it, Gaston.
You are the most gorgeous. I don't work. Now.
You don't need to.
You are the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen.
Get out of the way. No, no, no. It's
Sorry,
all about me.
I
am the center of attention because you are at Gaston Land. Now, tell Belle that she loves me. And I must leave or else I'm going to faint by looking at this thing.
Bye, Gaston.
I'll see you in your dreams.
Oh, yeah.
So this is going to be a tough one, Katie, because basically we're going to talk about the best character meet and greet in Disneyland.
That we found, especially throughout 2017, what has been the best character meet and greet that we agree on.
And Gaston's great. We love Gaston. He's one of the best. But our favorite is what, Katie?
It's Pluto.
We love our Pluto.
We love Pluto. He is just so interactive. He comes and gives you Pluto kisses.
Yeah.
He sits on your lap. He acts like a dog. I don't know why. You can find him. Also, we want to say him because he's more convenient to find throughout the park. You can find him at DCA. You can find him at Disneyland. He's often on Main Street, which is a great place to take photos with him too. So definitely our best character meet and greet. If you can find it, go see Pluto.
All right, so something that I think is an important thing that happened in 2017, a park essential, something that's here that you can't live without, that is so crucial to your experience.
Oh yeah.
What is that, Katie?
The fuel rod. The fuel rod is the latest and greatest, best thing
It really
that
is.
Disneyland Park added.
It's
not
so good.
Not only do they have good customer service,
They really do. If there's a problem with the machine and your thing gets caught or whatever, you call that number and that thing, it gets taken care of in a matter of a minute or so. It's amazing, you guys. So we
Literally,
we
just
highly recommend, if you're doing any kind of photos with the family or anything with your cell phone, you're going to have a fuel rod because
Max Pass, if you're going to use Max Pass, I mean, you
Yep.
need your cell phone. It is essential.
it's crucial. Well, both of us have gone through 3 and 4 or 5 of those a day.
But if
Yep.
you buy it here at the park, it's a $30 purchase. You can take it home. You can use it indefinitely whenever you want
You can plug
to.
it in at home and recharge it and use it wherever you want. You don't have to use it just at the park.
And let me just tell you, it's super small and convenient. It comes with the cords and the, what do you call it, like the little sockets
The
that you need?
connectors
The
for
connector.
for all the different brands
So if you
of
have an
phones and all that
iPhone,
stuff. Yeah.
yeah.
If you've got an Android, they've got you covered, guys.
Definitely one of the best park essentials that we have found for 2017. Okay, so next to food is another great category that I think we need to talk about, and that is merchandise, all the good stuff that you need to buy at Disney. Where do we spend all of our money after food? It's on merchandise.
Yes.
Number one thing that we decided on is the Spirit jerseys. Let me tell you, not only do they only come in a range of colors, they look great on everybody, male and female, and they're warm and comfortable.
All right, so speaking of merch, Katie,
Yes.
let us talk about the most hyped merch of 2017, the merch that was the most sought after, the most talked about, the
The most purchased.
Yes, the
The
most
most
purchased.
Instagrammed.
And this is your world, so I'm going to let you take this
Yes,
one. Katie,
okay.
go.
So we had to settle for the top 3 things that went crazy wild this year. Number 1 is the Enchanted Beauty and the Beast cup. Number 2 is the rose gold ears. And number 3 are the Disney Starbucks cups and tumblers.
All right, guys, so this next category, this next award, it's very important. To the ladies, you will understand, you will agree with me.
It's our number 1 accessory we wear when we come to the parks.
What is that, Katie?
It is our mini ears.
It's those right
you
there.
Know it.
And we had a lot of
So,
different ears
yes,
come out this
we
year.
did a ton.
Right, and
If
so
you
let-
even follow my Instagram, you should know this. So hands down, the best pair of ears of 2017 goes to the interchangeable mini ears. These ears are amazing for a few reasons. Not only the obvious that you can change the ears, customize them, you can buy them from shops outside of Disney, you can basically pin anything on that little thing. You could also wear the bow to the side. The number 1 most important thing about these ears is that they are comfortable. They are the most comfortable ears I have ever worn that I've purchased at a Disney park.
Our next award, it's a big one.
It's a big one.
Yes,
It's a doozy, kids.
This is huge, but
Yes.
the number 1 entertainment show
The must-see.
spectacle of Disneyland is, Katie?
Fantasmic. So 2017, we brought back our beloved Fantasmic show, and it is better than ever.
Yep.
It is Fantasmic 2.0 over at the Rivers of America. You definitely need to see it. It is the must-see show of 2017.
It's Katie's favorite, so you're going to want to see it. And now it's that part of the show, Katie, where we look back and we remember all those that we've lost this year in 2017.
I hear the parade.
I hear the parade too. It's a very special feeling.
Oh, you got the lyrics wrong.
What?
Today and merry, and all that I can hear. The spirit of the season will make our dreams come true. I sing it really well. Always be a Christmas fantasy.